Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to give the solutions for the example problems before the exercises 6A, 6B, 6C. Already up to exercise 6C over. So, I have to give the complete information for the examples before exercises. Okay, let us start one by one. First example number 1 before exercise 6a. First one, integral 2x power 7 dx. 2x power 7 dx. If you observe this one, you see clearly this is nothing but x power n form. So x power n form means integral of x power n dx is equal x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. So simply you can write let I is equal 2 into x power 7 dx. So 2 into x power 7 dx. Okay. So what is the formula for x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. So this is the formula for the x power n. So similarly here 2 into x power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1. That means 2 into x power 8 by 8. Here 2 ones, 2 fours. So finally x power 8 by 4 plus 6. So integral of 2 into x power 7 dx gives us finally x power 8 by 4 plus c. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay. From next video onwards, if I start any exercise means I have to give the solutions for the examples also. So next, second problem, integral cos square x dx. Integral of cos square x dx. So for cos square or tan square, whatever it may be, just you should use the trigonometry formula. What are the formulae? 1 plus cos square theta is equal cosecant square theta and 1 plus tan square theta is equal secant square theta. Okay? You have to remember this one. Okay? Now, second question, integral of cot to square x dx. Okay? Cot square x dx. So, solution. Let I is equal integral of cot square x dx. So cot square x formula cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Okay. So since cot square x is equal cosecant square x minus 1. Okay. So cosecant square x formula minus cot x. Okay. Minus 1 integral of 1 is x. So this is the answer for this one. Okay. Next, question number 3. Example 3. Here x power 6 minus 1 integral of example 3 x power 6 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x power x square. 1 plus x power x square. Okay. You see here solution. Let I is equal integral of x power 6 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. This is clearly degree here 6, here 2. That means 6 greater than 2. That means degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. That's why this fraction is nothing but improper fraction. Whenever improper fraction is there means simply we must convert into proper fraction. Okay. How can you do this one? Simply divide. Okay. Divide x power 6 minus 1 with this 1 plus x square. So here I have to write 1 plus x square you can write x square plus 1, no problem. So I can divide x power 6 minus 1 with x square plus 1. So to obtain x power 6 means here x square is there. So to obtain x power 6 means what you have to do? You have to multiply with x power 4. So x power 4 into x square gives us x power 6. X power 4 into 1 gives us x power 4. So change the signs because we have to subtract. To cancelling these two terms means what you have to do simply? You have to cancelling. To obtain this value means just simply you have to cancelling. So that's why you have to change the signs. Okay. So here minus x power 4 and minus 1. Same. Here x square is there and here minus x power 4 is there. What you have to do? Simply minus x square. So minus x square is x square minus x power 4. Here also minus x square. Now to cancel these two terms means just you have to subtract. So change the signs. That's all. Just you should change the signs. So plus 2 minus get cancelled. Here finally x square minus 1. You see? So when we have to complete this one, when we have to stop this process means to obtain degree should be less than this one. Here degree is 2, here also 2. So again one more step. To obtain x square means what? Simply you have to multiply with 1. So 1 into x square plus 1. Okay. So simply minus x to minus. So cancel minus 2. So finally here I is equal x power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So separate these terms x power 4 dx minus x square dx plus 1 dx minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Now integrate separately x power and integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Again x square x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral 1 x minus 2 into simply tan inverse x. So final result is x power 5 by 5 minus x cube by 3 plus x minus 2 tan inverse x plus c. Okay. So very important problem. So for 2 marks, so better to practice many times this one. Okay. So clearly you should mention the division also. Okay. This process must be clearly mentioned in the examination paper. Okay. Your answer script. This should be done. Okay. So without doing this one, how can you rewrite this one? Not possible. That's why you should clearly mention this one. Okay. Okay. Next. Example 4. 1 minus x into example 4. One minus x power x into example 4. Example 4. Integral 1 minus x into 4 minus 3x into 3 plus 2x dx. Okay. Simply just you have to multiply all these 3 terms. Simply it should be evaluate easily. Okay. So here let I is equal to 1 minus x into 4 minus 3x into 3 plus 2x. Okay. 3 plus 2x. So multiply 1 by 1 because we know the formula for only integral of x power n dx. So just you have to multiply 1 by 1. First you should multiply these 2 terms. 1 minus x into, okay, 4 into 3 12, 4 into 2 8x, minus 3x into 3 minus 9x, minus 3x into 2x minus 6x square. Okay, here 4 into 3 12, 4 into 2 8x, minus 3x into 3 minus 9x, again minus 6x square. Again, just you should, first of all you should simplify that one. Okay, before going to multiply, just you should simplify. Okay, 12 here minus x, here minus 6x square. Okay, now multiply one by one. With 1 same 12 minus x minus 6x square. Again with minus x minus 12x minus a minus plus x square, again plus 6x cube dx. Okay, so put in bracket. So first of all you should simplify with starting constant. Next x terms, you see minus 12x minus x gives us minus 13x. Here minus 6x square plus x square, minus 6x square plus 6 minus 5x square. Okay, minus 5x square. Next x cube terms plus 6x cube. Okay, so this is the final simplification for the given polynomial. Okay, now clearly for 12 integral is here 12, you can write 12 into x. So directly you can evaluate, no problem. Okay, next 13 into for x square by 2. Okay, next minus 5 into x cube by 3. You can directly write this one, no problem. X power 4 by 4. Okay, just you should mention the formula only. If you mention this formula, directly you can write down the result, no problem. Here after simplification, simply 12 is there. 12 means 12 into 1. 1 dx means x. Here 13 into x means x power 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. So for x integral value is x square by 2. For x square, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 means x cube by 3. For x cube, x power 4 by 4. So cancel this one, 2 2's, 2 3's. So final one is, answer is 12x minus 13 by 2 into x square minus 5 by 3 into x cube plus 3 by 2 into x power 4 plus c. Just only simplification. You see, only simplification is, you feel so difficulty, but it's very easiest one. Just one by one you have to simplify. Okay. Okay. First of all, you should consider these two brackets and multiply each and every term. After simplify, just you should multiply with this bracket. Okay. Next, x plus 1 by x whole cube. Example 5. X plus 1 by x whole cube. You see, x plus 1 by x whole cube. Number 5, question number 5, integral x plus 1 by x whole cube. Okay, dx. Okay, so let I is equal integral x plus 1 by x whole cube dx. Okay, dx. Okay, you see, this is not directly in the form. Suppose x cube means directly x power 4 by 4. But here x plus 1 by x whole cube. So we can't apply directly whole power 4 by whole power 4. Because it should be of the form x only, single variable. Okay. Here two variables will be there. X plus 1 by x, two different functions. So first of all you should apply, here is the formula a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. In the same way here, x plus 1 by x whole cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube. So in place of a x, that means x cube plus 1 by x whole cube, no problem. Okay. Next, 3 into x square into 1 by x, okay, plus 3 into x into, okay, x into 1 by x whole square, okay. Here x square by x means x into 1 by x square means 1 by x. So what is the simplified form? X cube plus 1 by x cube, here 3x, here 3 by x. Again, we don't know about 1 by x power n. Just you should rewrite the form like this: x cube plus x power minus 3 plus 3x. We know the formula for 1 by x, log x, okay, log modulus x. So here, therefore, I is equal integral x cube plus x power minus 3 plus 3x plus 3 by x dx. Okay. Here x cube means directly x power 4 by 4. Here x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. 3 into for x, x square by 2. 1 by x means log of mod x. Log of mod x. Okay. So finally here x power 4, or you should write like this, no problem. 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. X power 4 by 4. Here minus 2. Here you see x power minus 2 by minus 2. That means 1 by minus 2 into x square. So you should write minus 1 by 2x square plus 3 by 2 into x square plus 3 into log of mod x plus c. Okay, plus c. Plus c. So this is the result for the given one. 1 plus x plus 1 by x whole cube. Okay. Here simplification, you see x power minus 2 by minus 2, that means 1 by minus 2 into x square. That means minus 1 by 2x square. So here is the simplification. Okay. Next one. Example 6. Example 6. Root of 1 plus sin 2x. Root of 1 plus sin 2x. Root of 1 plus sin 2x. Okay. Here you see 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. Root of, under root of. Okay. Integral dx. Okay. Example 6. Example 6. Root of 1 plus sin 2x. You see solution. Let I is equal integral 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x dx. Okay. So first of all you should write the formula for sin 2x. Okay. I have to simplify here sin 2x. Okay. So under root, no problem. So 1 sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. Similarly sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x dx. Okay. 2 sin x cos x is enough. Now here 2ab term is there. For 1 what we have to write? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Suppose here sin x, instead of sin x and cos x, sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 is there. Suppose here I have to write 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. Sin x first of all you should write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. For this one, you should write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Like this you should write. Okay. So here clearly 2ab term is there. So you should write clearly sin square x plus cos square x. So first of all you have to simplify sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x plus 2 sin x cos x. Okay. With the help of this one only I have to rewrite. Okay. Without knowing this one, how can we write? Either sin square x by 2 or sin square of x by 4, something else. Here 2ab term is sin x and cos x is there. That's why you should write 1 instead of 1. You should write sin square theta plus cos square theta depending upon the value of theta only. Okay. Sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is nothing but 1. Sin square theta by 4 plus cos square theta by 4 is nothing but 1. Okay. So depending upon this one only, you should rewrite. Okay. So clearly a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means clearly sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay. So under root square get cancelled. So finally you should write sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Okay. Therefore, I is equal sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Okay. Dx. For sin x, integral value is minus cos x. For cos x, integral value is sin x. That's all. Okay. Okay. Only you should write like this one. Next. Example, 8th problem. This is example 6 over example 7. 2x cube minus 3x plus 5. 2x cube minus 3x plus 5. 2x cube integral 2x cube minus 3x plus 5 divided by 2x square dx. Okay. Example 7 integral 2x cube. Okay. Just what you have to do is simply you have to separate each and every term. So let I is equal, let us assume this is given by I 2x cube minus 3x plus 5. So divided by 2x square dx. Okay. Just you should simplify each and every term. Write separately 2x cube by 2x square. Okay. Next minus 3x by 2x square. Again 5 by 2x square. Okay. Dx. Just what you have to do is simply separate all the terms. Okay. Okay. Here 2x cube by 2x square minus 3x by 2x square plus 5 by 2x square. So if you simplify this one, what will you get? Here 2 get cancelled. So x cube by x square means x. Okay. Here clearly 3 by 2 into 1 by x. 3 by 2 into 1 by x. Here 5 by 2 into 1 by x square. Okay. 1 by x square whole dx. Okay. So clearly we know the formula for x. For x integral value is x square by 2. For x integral value is x square by 2. For 1 by x log x. For 1 by x log of mod x. Okay. Here plus 5 by 2 into for 1 by x square. You know the integral value minus 1 by x. So finally the value is x square by 2 minus 3 by 2 into log of mod x minus 5 by 2x plus c. Here is the solution for the given problem. 2x cube minus 3x plus 5 divided by 2x square. 2x cube minus 3x plus 5 divided by 2x square. So these are the 7 example problems before the exercise 6a. Okay. In exercise 6a already completed each and every problem. So these are the 7 examples before exercise 6a. Okay. Next, before exercise 6b, different examples will be there. I have to clearly give the solutions for each and every example. Okay. You see, example 2x into cos of 1 plus x square. Here 6.2.3 example 2x into integral 2x into cos of 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So here example. Okay. Example. If you observe, after reading the problem, you have to keenly observe whether the given one is known for us or not. Just think few seconds. If you read the given question twice and twice, definitely you got an idea. So according that one only we have to proceed. What we should do. Okay. Here you see 2x into cos of 1 plus x square dx. You see, we know the integral value is cos x. Cos x integral value is sin x. So we know the formula for integral of cos x dx. But whereas in place of x, what is the term? 1 plus x square. So that's why just you should write, you see, let I is equal to 2x into, these are methods of substitution. Methods of substitution. Just put 1 plus x square is equal to t. So derivative of this one derivative 0. Here x square derivative 2x. Okay. Dx is equal dt. Okay. So finally here 2x dx is equal dt. One thing you should note, whatever the substitution you have done, after differentiate that one, that substitution, just you must get the term which is before dx. You see, for before dx, here 2x is there. If you differentiate with this one, what will get? 2x. So clearly for 2x, dx gives us dt. For this one, t. So finally, what you have to do? Cos t. And total this term is dt. So for cos, integral is sin t. Okay. So here sin t. So sin of 1 plus x square plus c. So this is the method of substitution. So first of all, you should think which is t. After that one, differentiate that one. Definitely you got the term before dx. So here two functions will be there. Here one term is 2x and another term is this one. Okay. So after assume this as t, just you should differentiate this one. Definitely we got the remaining term. Okay. Next, another example. Integral e power x by e power x plus 1. Once again, I have to give the formula for this one. Integral f dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x. Okay. So for this one, let I is equal for 2 marks. This derivation is important. That's why I have to give the solution again. Okay. Let f of x is equal to t. Let f of x is equal to t. So differentiate this one, f dash x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So first of all, you should write I is equal to the given one like this: 1 by f of x into f dash x into dx. Okay. So clearly this gives us 1 by t into dt. 1 by t dt. So integral of 1 by t means log t under modulus. So t means log of f of x. So here is the formula for us. Integral of f dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal log of modulus f of x plus c. Here is the formula. You should remember this one. So for 2 marks also it may appear. Okay, in your examination paper. Okay. And one more. Suppose if the problem is like this. Suppose if the problem is like this. Same thing. F dash x by root f of x. Same thing happens. Here you should write. Okay. So here root to t. Okay. Root to t. Okay. So 1 by root t means 2 root t. Integral of 1 by root x is equal to 2 root x. So similarly 2 root t. 2 root t. That means clearly 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x. So finally f dash x by root f of x gives us 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x. So here is the two formulae. One is integral of f dash x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of modulus f of x plus c. And second one is integral of f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to root f of x. Okay. Here one example, e power x by e power x plus 1. E power x divided by e power x plus 1. Okay, e power x integral e power x by e power x plus 1. So, you have to keenly observe, the given problem integral of e power x by e power x plus 1. You see, the derivative of this one is this one. Here e power x derivative, e power x, one derivative 0. So directly here formula is f dash x by f of x. So answer is no need to write any step. Simply you should write the formula only. That's all. For this one 1 mark and for this formula f dash x by f of x. So you should write whenever the problem is given for 2 marks. Just write down the formula. For 1 mark you may award 1 mark for the formula. So don't forget that one. So f dash x by f of x is equal to log f of x. So you should mention clearly. Okay, formula. For formula you may award 1 mark and for the result 1 mark. Simple one. Just you have to observe whether the given one is of the known form. F dash x by f of x means directly you should write the answer. Okay. Suppose if the same one, another one, suppose it is not there. Suppose like this is the problem like this. So what happened for this one? What is the formula here? 2 root. Here the problem is for this one 2 root f of x. So this is the answer. So same 2 root. This is the answer. 2 root e power x plus 1 plus c. That's all. So formula is different. Okay. Method is the same one. Only we have to assume f dash x by f of x. Okay. So this is very, very important model. Next one. Here S before exercise 6b, example 6x by 3x square minus 2. Example 1 before exercise 6b. Okay. Integral 6x by 3x square, integral 6x by 3x square minus 2. 3x square minus 2 dx. Okay. So solution, let I is equal integral 6x by 3x square minus 2 dx. 6x by 3x square minus 2 dx. See this one. First of all, whenever this form is there means simply just a few seconds you have to think like this. Whether it is known form or not. Known form means f dash x by f of x form is there or not. Just okay. Here if you observe derivative of x square is 2x. 2x into 3 gives 6x. It's readily given. Okay. So simply here just you should write f dash x by f of x. That's all. F dash x by f of x. You should write. That's all. No need to simplify. Integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal log f of x. Log f of x plus. Okay. 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 Or if you want some more steps means here f of x is equal 3x square minus 2. So f dash x. If you want, you can write no problem. So 3 into 2x minus 0. Okay. Okay. dx. Okay. Leave it, no problem. Here 6x. Okay. So this is the way to write. No need to write this one. Here directly you have to write down the answer and give the formula. Okay. Next. Or else suppose if you don't know the formula, so what you have to do is simply, you see, suppose if some student may forget this one, what he can do is simply just you should put 3x square minus 2 is equal to 2 is equal to t. Okay. So for this one 3 into 2x minus 0 into dx. Okay. Is equal dt. That means 6x dx is equal dt simply. Okay. So therefore I is equal, first of all you should write 3x square minus 2 into 6x dx. Okay. So this one is nothing but t, 1 by t. Okay. This is nothing but dt. That's all. So 1 by t integral value log of modulus t. Okay. Log of modulus t. Okay. So answer is log of t means 3x square minus 2 plus c. Here is the answer for this one. So if a student is unable to memorize all this formula, just go to the procedure. Simply you should assume the denominator should be t. After differentiate, you have to obtain this one. Okay. So 1 by t means log t. So this is way to do. Whenever formula, some students may feel difficulty. So just go through the procedure. Okay. So this is the example 1 before 6b. Next example 2. Sin inverse whole square. Example 2. Sin inverse whole square divided by sin inverse whole square divided by example 2 sin inverse x whole square. So integral sin inverse x whole square by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So solution. Let I is equal integral sin inverse x whole square divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay. So if you observe this one, we don't know this formula actually, sin inverse x, we don't know. Now itself, we don't know about the formula. But we know the formula for x square or t square. Okay, here t square integral value is t cube by 3. So this whole term considered as some t. Its derivative is nothing but 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the method of substitution. If we consider any function as t means, after differentiate with this one, definitely you got the remaining function. Okay, here two functions will be there. One is sin inverse x whole square and another is 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. So, first of all, you should write sin inverse x whole square into 1 by, like this you should write. Okay, so put sin inverse x is equal to t. So derivative of this one is 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So clearly I is equal integral t square dt. So t square integral t cube by 3. So answer is sin inverse x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay. Suppose whole power 4 is there, no problem. Whole power 5 is there, whole power n is there, whatever the problem it may be. So whatever the power it may be, just you should write that. Okay? Just you should write the formula also. Integral x power n. Integral x power n dx is equal x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the formula we have to use for this one. Okay? Always you should mention. Okay? This is the solution for this one. So example 2. Next, example 3. 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square. 1 by example 3 integral 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, 2x plus 1 whole square. So you see, after reading several times the given problem, you see here solution, let I is equal integral 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay. So 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square, 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square. That means we know the formula for 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. We know the formula tan inverse x. So 1 by 1 plus x square, that means here in place of x 2x plus 1 is there. In place of x 2x plus 1 is there. That's why you have to substitute that it should be t. So simply you have to put 2x plus 1 is equal to t. So derivative of this one 2 into 1, okay, plus 0 into dx is equal to dt. Okay, so 2 dx is equal to dt. Okay, therefore dx is equal 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so I is equal 1 by 1 plus t square into 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 by 2 into integral of 1 plus t square dt. So integral of 1 by 1 plus t square means tan inverse t. Tan inverse t. So final one is of tan inverse 2x plus 1. Of tan inverse 2x plus 1. Simply. So just you have to know the form. Form is very important. After noted the form, after thoroughly knowing that one, definitely you got an idea. Without having an idea, we can't do anything. To evaluate any integral problem means, just first of all, you should know the form, which is known for us. Which formula is familiar with this one, with you, you have to remember that one. So according to that known form, just you have to substitute. Okay? Next one. Example, you see x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12. X power 5 divided by 1 plus x power 12. Example again, These are the some examples. X power 5 divided by another example before 6b. X power 5 divided by 1 plus x power 12 dx. Okay. So let I is equal x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. Okay. Here you see in denominator 1 plus x power 12. Only we know the formula for this one only. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square. Whenever if the form is 1 by 1 plus x square means we know the formula for this one. Tan inverse x plus c. Okay. That means here 1 is there but x square is not there. But it should be form of x power 6 whole square. So first of all you should write here 1 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square into x power 5 dx. So here we know the formula for 1 by 1 plus x square. Here 1 by 1 plus x power 6 whole square. That means in place of x, x power 6 is there, another term is there. So just you should put that term. That another term be t. So 6 into x power 5 dx. Derivative of this one is equal to dt. So x power 5 dx is equal 1 by 6 dt. Here after substitute the derivative must be obtained this one. The term before dx must be. You see x power 5 dx clearly obtained. So therefore I is equal integral 1 by 1 plus t square into 1 by finally 1 by 6 into integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt is equal 1 by 6 into tan inverse t. Tan inverse t. Okay. Tan inverse t. Okay. So final one is t means 1 by 6 tan inverse x power 6. Don't forget this one last time. If you end here means half mark will be deducted. Okay, better to remember this one. Here t means x power 6. So after that only the problem is completed. Okay, so don't forget this one. Final step. Okay, next one cos cube x. Next one cos cube x. So for cos cube x or sin cube x, whatever it may be, you should remember two formulae. One is sin cube theta. Sin cube theta is equal 1 by 4 into 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Okay. And also cos cube theta is equal 1 by 4 into 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. So you should remember these two formulae. So here next example is example cos cube x. Integral cos cube x dx. Okay. Cos cube x dx. So let I is equal integral of cos cube x dx. Okay. So what is the integral value cos cube x? 1 by 4. First of all formula. Integral 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 3 cos x plus cos 3x dx. Okay. So separate these terms first of all. So here 3 by 4 into integral cos x dx plus 1 by 4 into cos 3x dx. So 3 by 4 into sin x plus 1 by 4 into here also sin 3x divided by 3. Always you should note, always in differentiation you have to multiply. Suppose sin 3x is there. What is the derivative for sin 3x? Cos 3x. Again for 3x into 3. Whereas in integral, always divide with the quotient of x. Don't forget this one. So final one is, answer is 3 by 4 sin x plus 1 by 12 sin 3x. 1 by 12 sin 3x. Don't forget. Okay. Quotient of x. Divide with quotient of x. So this is the solution for cos cube x. For suppose sin cube x is there. Same problem. Suppose if the problem is like this. Sin cube x is there. What you have to do? Here you see. Suppose the problem is like this. Sin cube x is there. Sin cube x is there. So what you have to do? Let I is equal sin cube x dx. So sin cube x formula 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Okay. So here separate these terms. 3 by 4 into sin x minus, so dx minus 1 by 4 into sin dx. Okay, dx. So for sin x, integral value is minus cos x, whereas this one minus cos 3x whole divided by 3. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 by 4 into minus cos x. Here also x quotient is 1 divided by 1. No need to put 1. Okay. Here minus cos 3x. Minus cos 3x divided by 3. So final one is minus 3 by 4 cos 3x. Cos x. So minus minus plus 1 by 12 into cos 3x plus c. So this is the solution for sin cube x. For cos cube x or sin cube x, whatever it may be, the process is the same. Okay, for cot square x, tan square x, process is the same. So we know the formulas for trigonometry. Okay, if you thorough with the formula, definitely you got the solution. Otherwise you can't. Okay, better to remember all the formulas in trigonometry, especially in multiple and submultiple. Multiple and submultiple angles formula. Okay. Next one, you see, next one, 1 minus x square, 1 minus 1 by x square, integral 1 minus 1 by x square, okay, into e power x plus 1 by x. Okay, this is the problem. So let I is equal integral 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x. Okay. So just keenly observe this one. Focus on this problem. You see, e power. We know the formula for e power x only. I know the formula for e power x. So in place of x, what is the term? X plus 1 by x. So what we have to do? First of all, you should think we know the formula for e power x. In place of x, x plus 1 by x is there. For x plus 1 by x is there means just it should be put t. So differentiate with this one. For x is 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So what we have to do is simply, first of all, you should write like this. Into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Okay. So put x plus 1 by x is equal t. So x means 1 by x means minus 1 by x square. Okay. dx is equal dt. That means 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal dt. Therefore, I is equal e power t dt. So e power t integral e power t. T means x plus 1 by x. That's all. X plus 1 by x is there. Simple one. Don't worry about. After seeing this one, what is the problem? I have never do this one like this. The student may think like this. Don't worry. Don't be afraid of this one. Just you have to observe carefully. Definitely you got an idea. So next one, integral 1 by square root of sin inverse x, integral 1 by integral 1 by square root of sin inverse x into under denominator here under denominator root of 1 minus x square. This is the problem. Okay. You see here 1 by root of sin x. 1 by root of sin x. We know the formula for 1 by root x. 2 root x. Integral value of 1 by root x is 2 root x. So 1 by root of sin inverse x. That means sin inverse x is equal to t. So sin inverse x t means derivative is nothing but here. So first of all, you should write here, let I is equal given problem 1 by root of sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square dx. So this is the given problem. First of all, you should write the given question like this, sin inverse x into 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. You should write like this. Okay. So now clearly here f dash x by root f of x. No problem. But if you forget that one, if you forget the formula, 1 mark will be deducted. So just you should put sin inverse x is equal to t. Sin inverse x is equal to t. So sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So therefore I is equal 1 by root t into dt. So 1 by root t, 2 root t. So answer is 2 root sin inverse x. 2 root sin inverse x plus c. So in this way, in this problem, no need to memorize that formula. If you know the formula directly, you should write, no problem. Mention the formula and write down the answer, no problem. Okay. This is the way to do it. Or simply, if you know the formula, what you have to do is simply, you see, if you know the formula, second method, second method, let I is equal this one. This you should write 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. By root of sin inverse x dx. Okay. Now mention the formula f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to root f of x plus c. So this is the simple way. Okay. So clearly the answer is 2 root sin inverse x plus c. 2 root sin inverse x plus c. Okay. So simple one. But in this problem, if you can't memorize this one, if you can't remember this one, 1 mark may reduce. So in the previous one, there is no reduction because everything is clear for you. So you should write each and every step and got the full marks. Okay. So here is the solution in the second method. If you know the formula directly, you have to apply or else go through the substitution. Okay. This is the way to do in 2 ways. Okay. But in method of substitution, remember one thing. Substitution, which function is to be put t. That is the difficult task. So after finding the task, very easily you can evaluate. You see in this video, this is the last but one problem. Sin power 4x divided by cos power 6x. Sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx integral. Okay. First of all, you see, let I is equal integral sin power 4x divided by cos power 6x dx. Suppose what I have to say, suppose cos x is equal to derivative minus sin x, but sin power 4 is there, no direct result here. So just issue, you see, this is 4 and this is 6. This you should write here sin power 4x divided by this 6, you can write cos power 4x into cos square x. Okay, simply. Okay, that means sin by cos means tan. So you should write again sin x by cos x whole power 4 into 1 by cos x whole square. 1 by cos x whole square. Okay. So here this is nothing but tan x whole square or tan square x into secant square x. Okay. Now clearly tan x derivative secant square x here directly. If tan x is there, if you put this is t means directly the formula is secant square x. That is the substitution. Okay. So put tan x is equal to t. Okay. So tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal dt. So I is equal integral t square dt. So t square integral t cube by 3. So finally answer is tan cube x by 3 plus c. Tan cube x by 3 plus c. This is the solution for this one. So many examples will be there. Definitely I have to give each and every solution for each and every example. Don't worry. Okay. In the next video definitely I have to continue the remaining one. Okay. If you really like this video, please give me one like. And also, if anyone may not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also click on bell icon. Okay. At the same time, if it is useful for anyone means, if you think like that, definitely you please be share with this video to your well-wishers and friends and neighbors. Okay. Also mention your artful comments in the comment box. Okay. Thank you very much.